Hi, welcome back once again to my channel Passion Bistro. In this video, I'm going to share with you the recipes of two healthy and delicious salads, tabbouleh and fattoush. Tabbouleh is originally from the mountains of Lebanon and Syria. Tabbouleh has become one of the most popular salads in the Middle East. It is traditionally served as a part of the meze in the Arab world. Its popularity has grown in the Western culture as well. Moving on to have a peek into the ingredients of this healthy heavenly tabbouleh. Here I have 3 tablespoons of burugul or broken wheat, which I have washed thoroughly and drained the water. I am soaking this in warm water for half an hour. In a bowl, I am adding in 1 medium tomato de-seeded and cubed, half a bunch of onion leeks chopped, entire quantity of the soaked and drained burugul or the broken wheat which has become soft, one large bunch of parsley chopped, 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves. Tear them into pieces as they turn black when chopped. One flake of garlic finely minced. Some sea salt to taste, about half a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, some chopped lettuce, which is optional. I like it, so I'm adding it in here. You may skip this if you do not like. 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and give it all a good mix. It's ready to be served. It's a healthy salad and it's very filling, as burugul or broken wheat is very healthy. Here we come to the end of this healthy tabbouleh salad recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. Do try it out and let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to make the delicious fattoush. Fattoush is a Lebanese salad which includes toasted or fried pieces of pita bread combined with chopped fresh vegetables and herbs. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients required in making this wonderful salad. Here I have a khubz or a pita bread, make some cuts on them so that it's easy to break them once it's toasted, as it becomes hard. Here I am toasting it in a pan on low flame without oil. You can even toast this in the oven. Let's move on to make the delicious fattoush. In a bowl, I am adding in 1 medium bunch of lettuce chopped, 1 orange bell pepper cubed, 1 red bell pepper cubed, 1 yellow bell pepper cubed, 1 green bell pepper cubed, 1 medium onion cubed, 2 cucumbers cubed, 6 small radish sliced, 1 large tomato deseeded and cubed, 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. Tear them into pieces. They give the fresh minty taste to our fattoush. Two tablespoons of pitted and sliced black olives, 2 tablespoons of pitted and sliced green olives, 1 large flake of garlic finely minced, 1 tablespoon of sumac powder. Sumac spice is made from dried and ground berries of the wild sumac flower. It is a tangy spice with a sour and acidic flavor, widely used in the Middle Eastern cuisine. 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of fresh crushed peppercorns, toss them all very well so that all the vegetables and the garnishings get mixed well. I'm adding in the toasted pita bread now, but you add it just before serving or it will become soggy, which we do not want. Finally, top it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The delicious healthy fattoush is ready to be served. Do try this wonderful healthy and delicious fattoush and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Here we've come to the end of yet another recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Be sure to drop a like on this video and do consider subscribing for more recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.